Here's the truth about starting calisthenics. You don't need to be strong, flexible, or coordinated. You just need to start. Forget perfect form or doing a pull-up on day one. Calisthenics is how you build strength, flexibility, and coordination from scratch. This routine is your foundation, whether you're a total beginner or coming from the gym. It's all about progression, not perfection. Show up, do what you can, and improve a little each time. Let's build your foundation together. Exercise 1. Incline push-ups, 45 seconds. Start with your hands on a wall, bench, or chair. Higher is easier. Focus on a straight body line, no sagging hips or arched back. Lower your chest with control, then push up powerfully. As you get stronger, lower the surface until you're on the floor. This scalable move builds pushing strength and perfects your form. It's the blueprint for all pushing exercises. Start where you are and progress at your pace. Exercise 2. Assisted squats, 60 seconds. Hold on to a sturdy object for balance. This isn't cheating, it's smart progression. Focus on learning the squat pattern and building lower body strength safely. Stand shoulder width apart, sit your hips back, keep your chest up. Go as low as you can with good form, then drive through your heels to stand. Use your hands less as you get stronger. This builds strength, mobility, and confidence for deep, controlled squats. Training wheels now, bodyweight squats soon. Feel your legs and glutes working. Exercise 3. Knee push-ups, 45 seconds. Knee push-ups are real push-ups. They build the same muscles and teach perfect form. Keep a straight line from knees to head, hands under shoulders, elbows at 45 degrees. Lower your chest nearly to the floor, then push up, squeezing your chest. Focus on core stability and mind-muscle connection. Master the details here, and full push-ups will come naturally. Own this stage, it's your launch pad. Exercise 4. Wall handstand prep, 60 seconds. Start your handstand journey now. Use a wall for support. Place hands on the floor, walk feet up the wall as high as you feel safe. This builds shoulder strength, body awareness, and confidence. Keep arms straight, push the ground away, engage your core, breathe steadily, and hold as long as you can. Progress by holding longer or walking hands closer to the wall. It's about building strength and comfort upside down, 1 second at a time. Exercise 5. Dead hang from a bar, 30 seconds. Find a pull-up bar or sturdy branch and just hang. This builds grip and forearm strength, the foundation for all pulling moves. It also decompresses your spine and preps your shoulders. Use an overhand grip, hands shoulder width apart. Slightly engage your shoulders, don't hang completely loose. Accumulate 30 seconds, resting as needed. Consistent hangs transform your grip and shoulder health. Exercise 6. Hollow body hold, 30 seconds. This is the secret to core control and full body tension. Lie on your back, press your lower back to the floor, lift legs and shoulders. Hold a banana shape, arms overhead or by your sides. Start with bent knees if needed, and progress to straight legs. Find a version you can hold with perfect form. This unlocks total body control for advanced skills. Exercise 7. Plank progression, 45 seconds. The plank builds total body stability and core endurance. Start on forearms and knees if you're new, then progress to toes. Keep a straight line from head to heels, core tight, glutes squeezed. Don't let hips sag or pike up. Breathe steadily and hold with perfect form. Each version challenges your stability in new ways. This is the finisher for a reason. That's the routine 7 movements to build strength, stability, and confidence. Calisthenics meets you where you are. Every exercise can be scaled up or down. Consistency beats intensity. Show up every day, even for 10 minutes. Progress is about perfecting basics and showing up, not just harder moves. Commit for 30 days and you'll see real change. You have the blueprint and the first step, the rest is up to you. If you're ready, like, comment, and subscribe. Now go move your body.